The number one thing that paper crafters look for when choosing their crafting supplies is versatility. How many different ways can you use the same products? Buying crafting supplies is an investment, and crafters rightfully want to make sure they're making the most of their purchase. This is what we had in mind when creating the Craft Your Life Project Kit subscription series. Let's find out how this kit is the best crafting investment and how it will make you a better crafter. First up, what is Craft Your Life Project Kit? This iconic alt-new original subscription series is named after our slogan, Craft Your Life, to consistently remind crafters to incorporate their creativity into their everyday lives. Our product development team tirelessly designs a brand new kit every month, which comes with a 6x8 stamp set and coordinating die set, stencil, and embossing folder. All you need are inks and cardstock, and you're all set to create beautiful paper crafts. The items included in this kit are exclusive and not sold separately. We know that alt-new fans love having coordinating crafting products to play with in their craft rooms, and this monthly package is sure to get the creative juices flowing. Featuring a 6x8 stamp set, coordinating die set, as well as a stencil and embossing folder to fit the theme, the Craft Your Life Project Kit has almost everything you need to start crafting. Whether you want to create quick cards that looks like you've put a lot of thought into it, or you prefer to spend lots of crafty time working on your technique, these kits provide you with tons of creative possibilities. Each kit features a unique design featured in multiple product forms, stamps, dies, stencils, and embossing folders. Subscribers can get the Craft Your Life Project Kit each month at a discounted price when they subscribe to the Craft Your Life Project Kit monthly subscription plan. Over time, our Craft Your Life Project Kits have evolved, as we are always trying to come up with new ways to foster crafters' imagination and creativity. Our product development team is always discussing new ways to create more crafting possibilities with the same products. The goal is to give our customers more bang for their buck so they can utilize every product in their collection. With so many crafting possibilities, crafters get the opportunity to try out a variety of crafting skills and techniques, therefore allowing them to become better crafters. Our September 2024 Craft Your Life Project Kit Mixed Blooms incorporated a unique idea different than usual project kits. Rather than solely including coordinating products, we design products that collaborate well with each other. It's always helpful to have a variety of different designs and styles that mix and match well together for lots of different types of projects. And our project kits, especially Mixed Blooms, do this so well. One of the best features of the Craft Your Life project kits that customers love is that they come with coordinating stencils and embossing folders. Crafters love the colourful 3D effect that comes with using these products in combination with each other. Our October 2024 project kit is also a beautiful versatile set with lots of elegant sentiments to use for endless occasions, along with a large, gorgeous floral arrangement. We have lots of excited new Craft Your Life project kits design planned for the upcoming months, and look forward to continue incorporating customer feedback to our future kits. What does your dream Craft Your Life project kit look like?
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenews YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.